Ever saved a YouTube video on your phone to watch later, only to completely lose track of where it went? You're not alone. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to find your saved videos and playlists in the YouTube app in just a few seconds. First, let's look at how you actually save a video. When you're watching something you want to keep, scroll through the menu just below the video title and tap Save. By default, YouTube might send it straight to your Watch Later list, or it will prompt you to create a new playlist. Now, to actually find that saved video later, exit out of the video player, look at the bottom right corner of your screen, and tap on your profile icon, labeled You. Scroll down slightly until you see the playlist section, and tap View All. This reveals every single playlist associated with your account. Tap on your Watch Later list, which is entirely private, marked by the lock icon, so only you can see it. Here are all your saved videos. You can tap any video to start watching, or tap the three dots next to a video to remove it from the list. Download it for offline viewing or move it to the top of your queue. If this quick tip saved you some time today, hit that subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next one.